Inflation is the highest it's been in 40 years. The CPI data just came out. It said 7.5%. What does that mean for you? Should you sell all your crypto? Should you take profits? Should you buy crypto right now while everyone is fearful? Are we going to the moon or are we going to crash? That's what you're going to find out in this video. Watch this video. Guys, I hate to break it to you, but I warned you. I mean, smash the like button if you at least understand that there was some warning for this move. Like, I've been telling you guys for weeks that this is going to be the local top for this market. I said I took some profits at $45,000 on February 8th, 2022. If you go to my Twitter, I literally just retweeted all the times when I told you guys to take profits. I said if we got to 47K, I was going to short the hell out of it. I wish we would have got to 47K, but I said this is my best trade that I've had in a while. I said this 3 days ago. I said I have a deep feeling that many people will start to FOMO in right around 45K and right before a potential rug pull on Thursday with the CPI data. Well, what just happened? I'll show you guys a rug pull. Ready? Smash the like button if you just want to see a nice little rug pull here. Boom! That right there is a juicy rug pull, and it's getting worse by the minute. So why is Bitcoin crashing right now? Why are we going down? Because of CPI data. I've been trying to tell you guys this. If we go to the daily chart, I've been pointing this out for literally weeks, for months. I don't know. This is the only thing that I talk about, and this is why I get so excited on days like this on Twitter, because everyone focuses on all the squiggly lines, and they're like, hey, the moving averages, I think we're going to the moon. I think we're going to 50K next. I have another tweet somewhere. I don't have time to find it, but I literally said I think there's a 0% chance that we go to 50K over the next few months here, like over the next few weeks here. You can go read through my Twitter. I don't have time to find it, guys. Just go read through my Twitter. I said, we're not going to 50K. And here's why. When the last time that we had a really bad inflation number come out, the CPI data, which is what just happened today for Bitcoin, this is where we were, $69,000. You see what happened after that, guys? We went all the way down. We found a bottom, hopefully, we may not have. We had this relief rally upwards. And I was screaming from the rooftops, guys, if you made this move, and a lot of people did, a lot of people caught this move. It was a really easy move to make. I personally bought a lot of stuff down here, and I sold it literally at the exact top, $45,500. I showed that on Twitter as well. But I don't get everything right, guys, but this one was so easy to see, because we all knew that this bounce was just too far too fast. The potential to get rugged, the potential to get screwed on this move was just so obvious. So I'm excited here, and I'm talking because, guys, there is money to be made in this market. I know that I know that this is kind of discouraging, right? It's like, damn, well, now that the inflation data is really high, and now that basically no one on Twitter understands anything, like, I honestly think, like, seriously, this is the average crypto investor. The average crypto investor right now has no clue what just happened. Like, if you, like, honestly, just be honest with yourself. Do you know why Bitcoin just dumped? Like, do you understand why we went from $45,000? I know it doesn't look big on the screen right here, but it's a pretty big move in like an hour. $45,000 to $43,000. Do you understand why? Because if you don't, you probably shouldn't be trading crypto, guys. It is not for the faint of heart anymore. This market is not for people that are like, oh, I'm going to just get rich tomorrow. I've been trying to tell you guys for months and months and months, no one listens to me, that things have changed. Ever since we got this top at 69K and we didn't go parabolic. Before, when we thought we were going parabolic with Bitcoin, everyone thought we were going parabolic. That was different. That was following the cycles from before, right? Now it is trader versus trader. The expectations have not met reality. And so when you see a move like this that is so predictable, you need to be someone who is thinking ahead. And I hate to break it to you guys, but you're not going to get this done on your own. So I don't want to make this a giant pitch for our NFT project, guys, but I just have to bring this up because this 2+2 Genesis project that I've been talking about for literally ever, I'm just looking for someone on the internet who wants to be a warrior with me, who wants to actually grind with this market, because I could make videos all day long, guys, about like these coins will go to the moon. And back when we were doing this, right? Back when we were going parabolic, that made sense, right? When you're in a bull market, those coins literally are supposed to go to the moon. That's how it works. But when you're in a bear trend, like we are in now, we are in a bearish trend. The Federal Reserve is not our friend anymore. We just had inflation. the highest it's been in 40 freaking years. And it really is not that hard. Like, you can follow smarter people than me to know that the next couple months, like, urge caution. This is what Pentoshi said. I truly believe having caution for March is strongly warranted. I could get a lot more views on YouTube, guys, if I just came out here and told you, it doesn't matter, we're going to 100K tomorrow. But I've been honest with you guys the entire time. A lot of people are like mad or think, Kale, you're an idiot, like your coins didn't go crazy. You know what? It's literally all because of Bitcoin. Like, if Bitcoin would have went parabolic like everyone said, we would be where we're supposed to be. But it didn't. And so ever since, literally, this is when I became bearish. Like, I just want to clarify for everyone and their mother who is on the internet right now, okay? I missed it. I did not call this top at all. When I realized that we were screwed is right around here, around $50,000. This is when I realized, hey guys, this is a bear trend. Go back and watch the videos at the start of December, okay? I was like, guys, the Federal Reserve does not have our back. And then we continue down, so I'm not catching everything perfectly. Like, Pentoshi is literally catching everything perfectly, so go follow him. But I am anticipating these trends. I am watching this stuff. And the best part, getting back to what I was talking about, is that I have an incredible community, right? This 2+2 Genesis community is my favorite thing on the internet. We are talking every single day in Discord, and everyone's like, you guys are just talking about little coins, and you guys are just like, you're doing this and this. And no, we're literally talking about the market, about NFTs, about everything that is happening and trying to predict trends, trying to outsmart this market, because one person on their own, guys, is not very smart. And I was just all week, I was like, boom, 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 guys, watch out for CPI, right? We're having these great conversations back and forth. Like, I can just show you, like, I have this whole folder of people that are talking about this project. Let me just click on one, okay? I gotta say how impressed I am with how this project is shaping up. This is me and my business partner, Mr. Hat and Kale. I am happy I found this project and stuck with it. Can't wait to see the full vision come to fruition. I mean, I can just randomly pick these guys. Like, what's this one? Buy more 2+2 before the world gets the wind of what we're talking about, of how awesome this project is. Buy more. I could just keep going. What is this one? People are sleeping on 2+2. Anybody loving the new dashboard? I mean, I could just go, whatever. These are all people that are talking about how, I don't know which one to pick, but let me pick. Either way, I should have had these prepared. Like, this is a guy, and again, like, I just want to clarify. He said, the calls in this group have paid more than 10x for what he paid to get in, to buy an NFT and get in. They've paid for themselves times 10. And again, I want to clarify, we're not in here saying, hey, buy this coin so that it will go up, and then Kale, go talk. Like, that is not what we're doing. And if you think that's what we're doing, you are literally just basing your opinion off of bull crap on the internet. Like, it's literally not true. So come into the Discord, check it out. We are talking about actual concepts like this one, this huge move that just happened that the majority of the internet does not understand. Like, literally, I want to go back to my tweet here. Like, I honestly believe that most people think this. They think that inflation is this big, like, inflation hedge, and if inflation goes up, then Bitcoin will go up. It's actually the opposite, because if inflation goes up, then the Federal Reserve slows down the money printer and Bitcoin goes down. And so I'm ranting a little bit here, guys, but I guess my overall point today is that this move was predictable, okay? Now, if you literally would have just bought in around $35,000, $33,000 and rode it up to $45,000 and sold, you had 3 or 4 days of warnings just on Twitter. And like, if you were in a good community of smart people who can actually use their brain and think like, hey, like, Mel, the risk reward here is not great for all these coins. Like, obviously we've had a 25% move here, and we have this data coming out, and there's all these things that are reporting that, the supply chain is backed up, and I don't know why I'm so frustrated today, guys. I guess I'm frustrated because, like I said, I'm looking for a few warriors there. So with this project, I don't know how much you guys know about it. We have 1,953 units. There are only 1,900. I should just write that in here. There are only 1,953. You know how there are literally 20,000 Bitcoin, or what did I just say? There are only 21 million Bitcoin, right? There will never be that many Bitcoin. There's only a certain amount. Well, there's only 1,953 units. And so the floor price of this is what it is. Last time I checked, I think it's at like $1,000, right? And so it's not where I want it to be. I'll be very honest with you there. However, There's only 1,953 of these, and I will never stop talking about this until we fill up 2+2 with more and more people who are ready to beat this market. Because here's what I want to tell you guys about this market right now, okay? It's not going to be for the faint of heart. It's really, really not. Like, this chart is not a bullish chart. If anyone on the YouTube is like, oh, buy a bunch of altcoins and yada, 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 you better be careful. You better be out here and have some wise guidance. You better know what the hell you're doing with your money in this market, because the Fed is not at our backs anymore. When you see I just want to show you something, okay? I'm going to rant today, and I'm just going to post it, and I don't care. And if you like this video, smash the like button. If you don't, I'll go back to my my very calm posture. I'm so sick of that. I just want to be myself. Like, I'm sick of all the haters and everyone just shut up. Like, I'm just going to be myself, okay? Literally, look at this. This is crypto. This is crypto. You see this freaking line? Do you see this line? That is crypto with the Federal Reserve at our back. The Federal Reserve is literally pushing this completely to the moon. They were like, unlimited money printing, and everyone thought that it was never going to end, including myself. I'm an idiot. I wish I could go back and smack myself in the face and say, Kale, you're a stupid idiot. Just because Bitcoin went parabolic in 2017 does not mean that it's going to go parabolic now. If the Federal Reserve slows down the money printer, that is all that matters. And the more that I see inflation data go up, the more bearish I'm going to get in the short term, and I'm sorry about it. Like, let me just go back to my tweets. The Democrats are in office right now, guys. You're crazier than Kanye if you think they don't care more about curbing inflation than pumping your bags. If you don't understand that, you need to go learn some politics. This is where I stand right now. Honestly, I think we are going to get to buyback in the mid $35,000 unless we get a major catalyst, unless we get another Michael Saylor, unless we get a huge, like Russia turns it into starts buying Bitcoin. Anything like that, sure, we can break through 50K. But if we do not, I think that we are going risk off. I think that we are not going to go above $50,000 until that meeting in March, and maybe even after. Until Jerome Powell changes his tune on crypto, we do not have the wind at our back. So how can we make money? What can we do? How can we actually beat this market? Well, first and foremost, I don't know. I think that we have to figure it out together. If you look through here, there's a ton of people that are talking about how they love this community. Let me just pull up one. Just told a bunch of people about 2+2, yada, yada. I just need to, our vision, like this guy's saying, our vision is be the crypto community that generates actionable alpha. I think that's really it right there, right? This is what we're trying to do in here. We may not be perfect. We may not be the most popular project. We may not be Bored Apes, right? But what we are trying to do is to generate actual information that can help people in there. And that is not like, hey, everyone go buy this coin and be like a stupid pump and dump group. Like, that is literally not what we're doing here. And I know, like, in the past, I've been, it was a stupid moment in my history, okay? And I never actually intended to do that, and I actually did not do that. You can go back and go through the entire saga of it. We did not do what we are accused of doing. But ever since then, okay? Ever since then, since literal, we've had the most hardworking, the most humble, the most honest people in this group working on this project to actually crush it and to move it forward. And I'm honestly just so thankful to be in a group of people that is willing to do whatever it takes to make money in this market. And that, whether that's finding a whitelist for an awesome NFT project and supporting them, whether that is talking through this market and saying, okay, when do we think we're going to bottom out? When do we think that Bitcoin will bottom out? Do we think we'll get in around 35K? Do we think we'll get in around 33K? What do we think here? Should we short Bitcoin? Should we long Bitcoin? Should we maybe if Bitcoin is in an uptrend, maybe we could buy some of the the top altcoins. We're not talking about like small little coins. We're talking about like FTM or like Luna, right? These are things that you can talk about in a group, and that is totally within everyone's prerogative to do so. And so I'm so excited for what we're building. We have a billion channels in here, and a billion different people that are like, this is awesome, this is awesome, this is awesome. And I just want to encourage you, if you're interested in having fun this year, instead of just trying to do this all on your own in hard mode. This is not an easy mode market. This is a hard mode market. Please search 2+2 Genesis on OpenSea. Grab yourself and just search 2+2 Genesis OpenSea. I'll do it right now, okay? 2+2 Genesis OpenSea, okay? And then what you do is you just buy one of these NFTs and you jump into our Discord and you join a family of people. If you're looking for handouts, if you're looking for, the floor price is 0.28, so it's like $1,000 right now, okay? If you're looking for handouts, if you're looking for all this stuff that, oh, I just want to get handed free stuff, no, this probably isn't for you. But if you want to actually be in a group with a bunch of people that are working really hard, that are dropping charts every day, that are trying to understand this market together, I'm in there literally every single day. If you would like to talk with me personally and have a conversation, my business partner is a genius when it comes to NFTs. I would really encourage you to search for that project. And I didn't mean to turn this video into like a pitch for 2+2 Genesis. I really did not. But it's just on my heart a little bit here because I'm a little bit sad when I watch Twitter and I'm like, damn, like there were people saying that we think we're going to come in under expectations for CPI data. And I don't know where they got that information, but I think it's just very misleading. I think that we are not coming in under expectations. The inflation is out of control. The Federal Reserve is going to slow down the money printer, and the people that are going to win at this market are going to work hard. They're going to be educated. They're going to have a great community. They're going to not give up. They're going to fight even when it's hard. And that's who's going to make money in this market. The other people are not. The moon boys and the people in the back, they're not. And so it's not a winner take all game anymore, guys. This is just a best team, best freaking knowledge base. People that work the hardest are gonna. So if you're a hard worker, please check it out. I'm gonna stop ranting. The last thing you guys know I have to mention in every single video: BlockFi.com/Kale. If you're not earning interest on your stable coins, I would really encourage you to do so. Earning interest on Bitcoin, in my opinion, is kind of a waste. I think you're better off trading it. But as far as stable coins, if you have money that is going to be in Bank of America or whatever, I would really encourage you just to have your stable coins in BlockFi because it's really, really smart. You earn 9% interest. But anyway, guys, so that's what I've got. I really think we're on hard mode for the next couple months. If you want to still make money even in a hard market, check out the freaking project. I love it so much. It's all I care about right now, and it's what I want to dedicate the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years of my life to. So I'm pumped. That's all I got. I hope you can tell this is from the heart, and enjoy your CPI data parties. Have a great day. Bye.